Now the next figure is a kite, but this formula, this area formula, is actually for a kite or a rhombus. It's diameter 1 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. So this D stands for diagonal. Okay. And the difference between a kite and a rhombus is in a kite, like these two lengths are equal, and then these two lengths are equal. But for a rhombus, all four of these would be equal. A kite does look like a rhombus, and a rhombus kind of looks like a kite, but that's number 11 is definitely a kite. Okay. So then the diagonals, well, the diagonals go from point to point all the way across. Here's one diagonal. Okay, LN. They tell us the length. The length is 6. Let's just go ahead and call that diagonal 1. Let's say it's 6. And then the other diagonal goes again from point to point all the way across. And that's the other one. And they tell us it's 9. So let's go ahead and say, hey, that's diagonal 2. And then if I substitute that into the formula, well, it's easy. Diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. That's 54 divided by 2. That's 27. And this is yards squared. 54 divided by 2 is 27. And again, it's using the formula. Diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. Same thing with 10. Let's look at 10. From point to point is one diagonal. Q to S, they tell it to us, is 15. The other diagonal would be from P to R. Here's the other diagonal. Again, it's given. They tell us that's 10. So the area is one diagonal times the other diagonal divided by 2. 10 times 15 is 150. Divided by 2 is 75. And then this is inches squared. And somebody in class said, hey, mister, doesn't matter, like which, if we write 10 times 15 or 15 times 10, and it doesn't. That's one of the good things about multiplication, is it's commutative, meaning it does not matter the order in which you write it, it's the same. Okay, so technically it doesn't matter which one you call D1 and D2. Just for now, I guess I could call that one D1 and D2. And that is it.